Once upon a time, in a cozy little town nestled between rolling hills and a shimmering river, there was a small, charming library. In the heart of this library, on a shelf full of colorful and wondrous books, sat a very special red book. This red book had a gleaming cover and golden edges that sparkled under the warm, dim light of the library. The red book was no ordinary book. It was a magical book that held stories from lands far and wide, adventures filled with heroes and heroines, and secrets waiting to be uncovered. The book was waiting for someone special to open it and discover its enchanting tales. One sunny afternoon, a curious young girl named Emily wandered into the library. Emily loved stories and often dreamed of having her own adventures. Her eyes sparkled with excitement as she explored the rows of books. As she reached the back of the library, she noticed the glowing red book. It seemed to beckon her, whispering promises of incredible journeys. Emily carefully took the red book from the shelf and opened it. To her astonishment, the book began to speak. "Welcome, dear reader," it said in a gentle, melodic voice. "I am the Red Book of Adventures. Are you ready to embark on a journey with me?" With wide eyes and a racing heart, Emily nodded eagerly. The red book's pages began to turn by themselves, and before she knew it, she was transported into a vibrant, magical world. She found herself in a lush forest filled with talking animals, towering trees, and sparkling streams. "Your first adventure awaits," the Red Book said. "You must help the animals of the forest find their lost treasures. Each treasure holds a special story, and only a kind heart like yours can uncover them." Emily met a wise old owl named Oliver, who guided her through the forest. Together, they encountered a playful squirrel who had lost his golden acorn, a graceful deer searching for her silver bell, and a family of rabbits looking for their jeweled carrot. With each treasure she found, the Red Book shared a new story. Emily learned about bravery from the squirrel's tale, the importance of friendship from the deer's journey, and the value of kindness from the rabbit's adventure. Every story made her heart swell with joy and filled her with newfound wisdom. As the sun began to set, Emily returned the last treasure to the grateful animals. The forest glowed with a warm, golden light, and the Red Book gently closed its pages. "Thank you, Emily," the Red Book said. "You have shown great courage, friendship, and kindness. Remember, the magic of these stories lives within you. Whenever you need an adventure or a lesson, I will be here, waiting for you." With a bright smile and a heart full of happiness, Emily found herself back in the cozy library. She carefully placed the Red Book back on the shelf, knowing that it would be there for her whenever she needed it. And so, the Red Book waited, always ready to whisk away another curious reader on a magical adventure, teaching them the timeless values of courage, friendship, and kindness. And Emily? She left the library that day, her head filled with dreams and her heart ready for the next adventure. Thank you for watching.